Well, we got ourselves a fun one today. So you can see we got a 2023 Jeep Gladiator up on the lift, and we got a lot of nice new shiny parts behind us. Now what all these shiny parts are is a 2-inch lift kit. Not very much, but you know, enough to give it just a little more, you know, aggravated stance. Now the lift kit we have is from BDS lifts. Probably the best, you know, lift out there. Really, for, you know, installation wise, there's not a whole lot of cutting involved, and very high quality stuff. Comes with this nice little instruction manual that nobody's going to read, because honestly this stuff's so intuitive, you know, you could do it right at home. We're going to throw some big knobby tires on it as well. This thing had some rubber bands we have over there in the corner. That just wouldn't do, so we got some nice meaty stuff over there. Nothing left to do but to do it, I guess. Alright, I gotta raise this thing up. pulling to any side, no weird bumps or anything. Just a nice smooth ride. So that's pretty good. All good at highway speeds. Go straight as an arrow. Well, as straight as an arrow as a Jeep with big tires can go.
Hell yeah.
Yep, got the old ones loaded up and he's all ready to go.
Just can't believe we got that done.
Yeah, oh yeah, we got it done just a couple hours. He does need one more thing though. There. Now it's official. Well, there you go. Satisfied customer. Looks way sharper.